Hello everyone, in this video we'll explore the big three logistic growth FRQs that most tested on the AP Calculus PC exam. In AP Calculus, the exponential growth model was derived from the fact that the rate of change of a variable is directly proportional to the value of y. When using the differential equation, dy over dx equals k times y, and its general solution y equals c times e raised to the kt. You may notice that the exponential growth is unlimited. However, when describing a population that often exceeds an upper limit L, past which growth cannot occur. This upper limit L is called the carrying capacity. It represents the maximum population y of t that can be sustained as time t increases. A model that depicts this type of growth is called a logistic differential equation. dy over dt equals k times y times 1 minus y over L, where k and L are positive constants. The logistic differential equation of the form dy over dt equals k times y times 1 minus y over L results in a solution of the form y equals L over 1 plus b times e raised to the negative k times t. Alright, so we have the formula logistic differential equation form is going to be this one, and logistic growth equation form is going to be this one. In either form, L represents the carrying capacity right here, L right here, and L right here should be the same, or upper limit of the logistic growth equation, which is the maximum. Alright. A logistic growth curve increases the fastest when the curve reaches half its carrying capacity L. Consider the logistic differential equation dy over dt equals y over 8 times 6 minus y. Let y equals f of t be the particular solution to the differential equation with f of 0 equals 8. Question A. A slope field for differential equations given below. Sketch the possible solution curves through the point 3, 2, and 0, 8. So 3, 2 is going to be right here, right? And 0, 8 is going to be right here, right? So we just follow the flow, right? So it's going to be something like this. Now let's move on to question B. Use Euler's method starting at t equals 0 with two steps of equal sign to approximate f of 1, right? So we're going to sketch the table. Alright, so we're going to start with t equals 0, right? So we put 0 right here. F of 0 equals 8, right? So we have y equals 8, right? dy over dt, we're going to use the formula right here. So we substitute 8 for y over here. We have negative 2, right? The equation of the tangent line is going to be y equals the slope negative 2 times t minus 0, right? Plus y is going to be 8, right? Now we're going to stop at 1. We have two steps of equal sign. So this guy should be 0.5 and this guy should be 1, right? Substitute 0.5 for t over here. So we have negative 2 times 0.5 is going to be negative 1 plus 8 is going to be 7, right? Now put 7 over here. So dy over dt is going to be 7 over 8 times 6 minus 7 is going to be negative 7 over 8, right? So we have y equals negative 7 over 8 times t minus 0.5, right? Plus 7. Substitute 1 for t over here. So we have negative 7 over 8 times 0.5 plus 7, right? So it could be 105 over 16. This one is the final answer. 16 A population is modeled by a function p that satisfies the logistic differential equation dp over dt equals p over 5 times 1 minus p over 12. Question A. If p of 0 equals 3, what is limit of p of t when t approaches infinity? Alright, so look at this one. This guy actually dy over dt equals k times y times 1 minus y over L, right? We just match this guy up, so we have the carrying capacity is 12, which is the maximum value, right? Limit of this one when t approaches infinity is always equals carrying capacity, which is the maximum value, right? So it could be 12. This guy is still 12, right? Question B. If p of 0 equals 3, for what value of p is the population growing the fastest? Remember, the population is growing the fastest when p is half the carrying capacity. Now let's move on to question 17. A certain rumor spreads through a community at the rate dy over dt equals 2y times 1 minus y, where y is the proportion of the population that has heard the rumor at time t. Question A. What proportion of the population has heard the rumor when it's spreading the fastest? Alright, so we need to find the maximum of this function, right? So basically, I just let the function f of y equals dy over dt, and it's going to be 2y, I'm going to distribute this one, minus 2y squared, right? I need to find the first derivative of this one, f prime of y equals 2 minus 4y, right? Now I'm going to let this one equals 0, right? It's the same thing as 2 minus 4y equals 0, and then y equals 1 half, right? So the proportion is 1 half. Now question B. If at time t equals 0, 10% of people have heard the rumor, find y as a function of t. So we have dy over dt is given by 2y times 1 minus y, right? Now we're going to separate the variables, so we have dy over y times 1 minus y equals 2 dt, right? Now we're going to take antiderivative both sides. Now we're going to use fraction the competition for the left hand side. So we're going to end up with antiderivative of 1 over y plus 1 over 1 minus y altogether dy, right? Equals antiderivative of 2 dt. So it's going to be antiderivative of 1 over y dy. Now for the second one right here, I'm going to replace dy with d of 1 minus y so that I can apply the formula antiderivative of du over u is going to be ln absolute value of u plus c, right? So it's going to be negative antiderivative of d of 1 minus y over 1 minus y, right? Because when I take the derivative of this one, it's going to be negative dy. So I have negative side here, it becomes positive. So thing doesn't change at all, right? So keep that in mind. Equals antiderivative 2 dt, right? So it's going to be ln absolute value of y, right? Minus ln absolute value of 1 minus y equals 2t plus c. Now we're going to use the logarithmic property to condense this one. So it could be ln of y divided by 1 minus y, right? Equals 2t plus c, right? Now I'm going to exponentiate both sides. So this guy turns out to be y divided by 1 minus y equals e to the 2t times e to the c. But e to the c is a constant, so I name this one as a value of k, right? So I'm going to end up with k times e to the 2t, right? I'm going to use the initial condition right here. At t equals 0, 10% of the people heard the rumor, right? Which means 0.1 equals y, right? So I'm going to end up with 0.1 divided by 1 minus 0.1 equals k times e to the 2 times 0, right? So k equals 0.1 divided by 0.9. It's going to be 1 over 9, right? So we're going to substitute 1 over 9 for k back over here, right? So we're going to end up with y over 1 minus y equals 1 over 9 e to the 2t. Now we're going to cross multiply, so it could be 9y equals e to the 2t minus y times e to the 2t, right? So it's going to be 9 plus e to the 2t times y equals e to the 2t, right? I divide both sides by this guy, so y equals e to the 2t divided by 9 plus e to the 2t. This one is the final answer, right? Now let's move on to question C. At what time t is the rumor spreading the fastest? Alright, so we go back over here. The rumor spreading the fastest when y equals 1/2 right here, right? So we're going to substitute 1/2 of y into this guy right here to solve for t, right? So we have 1 over 2 over 1 minus 1 over 2 equals 1 over 9 times e to the 2t, right? So it's going to be 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 equals 1 over 9 times e to the 2t, right? So it's going to be e to the 2t. This guy equals 1, right? Multiply both sides by 9, it's going to be 9, right? Take natural log both sides, so it's going to be 2t equals ln 9, right? So t equals ln 9 divided by 2. But ln 9 is going to be ln 3 squared over 2. We can bring 2 to the front. So it's going to be 2 ln 3 over 2. It's going to be ln 3. This one is the final answer. And it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand